Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dad Bought Outdoors. Nate Bolin here. Today we're going to be doing a little episode on what I like to call catch it, grill it, eat it, and we're going to be grilling out some barbecued rattlesnake. So I hope you enjoy it. Got everything I need to do here. Unfortunately, the power's out and I'm not able to set this video up the way that I want to. Can't take you through step by step, so I've kind of streamlined it just a little and cut everything down to just the basics of how I'm going to do this. So before anybody asks, no, I didn't kill the snake. It was ran over by my brother-in-law. He brought it up to the house and I'm like, well, hey, you know what, I'll take it. We'll skin it out, which you'll see it right over here. Got that prepared in a piece of aluminum foil. And like I said, what we're going to do is basically put together a little recipe, a little throw together recipe. I don't know how to cook snake, never cooked it before, but we'll give it a try, see how it works out. So let's check it out. So alright, first thing we're going to do is, I've got all the ingredients here. I'm going to take some Lowry's seasoned salt, pour it on top of the snake like so, quite a bit of it. Got my special assistant here, little Skylar. She's going to help out. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to throw in together some barbecue sauce and hot sauce, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Big hunk of butter. Throw it on the grill here after a while and let it cook for a good while and see how it turns out. So first thing, I'm going to take some barbecue sauce, pour it in here.
That's chunky.
Take some hot sauce, just a little bit of whatever that is. Got it at Walmart.
It looks like you need to mix it together.
Mix it all up. It smells good anyway. At least this part of it does.
Stinky.
Oh yeah. I'll set that off to the side. Mix it up a little bit more. Yeah, it's because we don't have any lights on in the house.
I'm just glad that we have a lantern.
Me too. Hey, can you leave it over here real quick? Thank you. Alright, got that mixed up. Set it up right here. Just built this grill. It's brand new, in case you can't tell. Really excited to use it. So after we've mixed everything up, take one gigantic hunk of butter, throw it right here in the middle.
That snake looks weird.
I think it looks awesome.
No.
I'm just going to pour our barbecue mixture all over the middle of it.
Ew, that stinks.
And throw what additional barbecue sauce we can on top of it, and I'm going to wrap this up in another layer of aluminum foil and cook it up over the gas grill. We'll see how it turns out. Alright, so just a little update. The power's back on now, but we're standing outside. Thought I'd show you what this looked like real quick. Barbecued rattlesnake. Alright guys, so we just got through cooking everything up. Here is your barbecued rattlesnake. Looks disgusting, smells delicious, absolutely smells gorgeous. So I'm going to give it a little try. Got our official taste tester over here. Mr. Jacob Hoosier, my man, across the way.
Yeah, boy.
So let's give it just a little try. I'm gonna pull it right off the bone, see what it tastes like. Gotta be careful, got a little bone in it. But honestly, tastes pretty good, not that bad. I mean, it tastes pretty good. So let's give it a try, man. See
I'm
what
gonna let mine cool down, then I'll.
you gonna let yours cool down a little bit?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, honestly, not that bad. It's not that hot right now.
No doubt. There we go. Oh, look how white it is, man.
Mm-hmm. Spicy. I added some spice
Tastes
to
like
it.
chicken.
Yeah, tastes like chicken. Does everything taste like chicken, or chicken tastes like everything else?
I don't know. I know chicken tastes like rattlesnake. Rattlesnake tastes like chicken.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I'm impressed. All right, so we decided to come back and say, hey, look, you know, we've tried this stuff out, eating it, and if you'll see right here, you can tell by the pile of bones we got over here. This stuff is freaking delicious.
Approved.
It's awesome. I'll write the recipe down, put it in the link down below the video. But this stuff is great. It's awesome. Highly recommend you try it because you only live once. Remember that. So give it a try. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next time.